Good morning, guys. I am currently just sitting at my desk. It is almost 9 in the morning and I have been playing Animal Crossing for the last hour. I am trying to get a villager and I have like an aesthetic I want. Like I want a cottagecore aesthetic for my animals or my villagers, and I started last night. For the people that don't believe in time travel for Animal Crossing, I'm not the girl for you because I love time traveling. So I started last night when I got rid of one of my villagers, and then when I woke up this morning it was still technically that day, but it was almost midnight, so I just time traveled into earlier in the day so I didn't get a random. So I am trying to either get Fauna, Maple, I think Ella's one of them. I have the app on here. Let's see. If you're an Animal Crossing lover, get the Animal Crossing guide. It looks like that. I go and look at like the DIYs that they have. I can favorite residents that I want. I can put the ones that I have in there. So all of mine are not correct though because I keep changing my people, so it's not accurate right now. Where is it? Let's see. Yeah, Ella's a cute little elephant. I want her. Let's see if I'll focus on her. I want her. I have Eric. Fauna's really cute. I love Fauna. Maple is the bear. I love the bear. And I think I have everybody else that I really want. I have Molly the duck. I have Mabel. I have Marshall. I have Eric. And I have Bo. And I have other ones, but they're obviously not staying. They're not in my aesthetic. I have Julian, which is the only unicorn in the game. I have Julia, who's a peacock. I have, there's another peacock looking one, but it's not a peacock. I forget who it is. But that's what I'm doing. I've literally been doing this for so many hours and I'm getting frustrated because I'm using so many Nook Mile tickets, and I had a good amount. I had a good stock. And now it's just like almost gone because I've been doing this for so long just trying to get someone and I can't find anybody. I'm also in a Animal Crossing Facebook group because we do trades and stuff on there, or like if someone needs a DIY they can write in there and then someone would be like, hey, I have an extra DIY, I'll let you have it. And most people don't want anything for the DIYs, but some people will be like, you can give me like a Nook Mile ticket or anything like that. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm really stressed and I have today off. So I'm trying to like redo my island to cottage core. I started yesterday. I went to my mom and dad's house and hung out with my sisters, 2 of them. And they kind of helped me with like my cottage core look. And it looks like we literally only have like the tiniest area, like the entranceway done. And it's not even completely done. I still have so much to do to it. But it's really, really cute. So when I start like fully getting it done, I will show you guys how it looks. But that's what's going on right now. I'm probably not going to do anything eventful today, so I feel bad because I want to vlog, but I don't think I'm really going to do anything. If anything, I was thinking about tanning, but I'd have to tan like soon because it's like it gets really, really hot now, and I'm so over the heat because I'm just over it. So I will probably tan, maybe. I don't even know. I have to eat breakfast. I haven't eaten breakfast yet. Probably gonna eat like a bagel or something like that. I don't know. But like I'm not really hungry. But I should eat, you know? I don't know. So that's what's going on right now. I'll show you my outfit for my girl right now. I won't. Okay. There she is. I don't know if you could see her. Not really. She's really cute right now. I think she's really adorable. So yeah, I'm gonna go, but that's what I'm doing right now, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Okay guys, so I got my breakfast. I made a bagel and then water with Crystal Light in it. Because like I said before, I don't like water by itself, so I add that so I get more water intake. I'm still villager hunting. I think since the last time I talked to you, I think I spent 20 more Nook Mile tickets. Still haven't found anybody yet, so I'm gonna go back on while I'm eating. I'm gonna watch some Heart of Dixie and try to get what I want. Put you guys down. I'm gonna try to get the villager that I want. Like I said, it's so frustrating though. It's like you have to spend so many just to get one person. Like I got like so many people like that are the same. Like I've gotten the same tiger looking thing like 6 times already today alone, and it's really frustrating. So I'm trying not to stress about it, but I'm almost out of Nook Mile tickets, so that's what I'm gonna be doing while I eat, and then maybe do my makeup. I'm not sure. I was gonna tan, but my nieces are in the backyard with their mom and Cole's mom, so I don't want to go out there. Not because like I don't want to be out there with them, but since we went to Disney, they just wanted to stay like separate from us for a little while, which is totally understandable. So they're just hanging out outside right now. So I'm gonna go eat and try to get another villager, and if I get the one I want, I will come back. Okay guys, so it's later. It's been about, I think, an hour and a half since I last talked to you guys, and I'm probably just gonna be sitting in my room for this whole vlog. So if you don't want to see that and talking about Animal Crossing, if you don't want to see that, this probably isn't the vlog for you. So I literally only have 100 Nook Miles left, which sounds like a lot, but when you go villager hunting, you know how many you use to try to get like villagers. So I used probably over 100 to 150 this last trip that I just did, trying to find the people I showed you. And hold on, my sister's texting me. And I couldn't find anybody, and I was tired of villager hunting because after a while it just gets like really, really annoying. So I just decided to, here she is. I just decided to get this rhino. Where is she? Hello, focus. Focus, focus, focus. Okay guys, so I got this rhino, the strawberry rhino. And I know for some reason it doesn't want to focus on my screen that well. I don't really know why. But I got her, but she doesn't go with my theme that I'm trying to do. So like I said, I'm trying to do like cottagecore. So these are my villagers right now. I'm going to keep Mabel. I think I'm going to keep, I don't even know your name. What's the name? I can't even see it. Fang. I'm thinking about keeping Eric. I'm still not sure yet. I'm keeping Molly, I'm keeping Marshall, and I'm thinking about keeping Bo. So I'm getting rid of Julian, her, and I just got her just like to stop villager hunting. I didn't want an ugly random. I'm getting rid of Julia, and then this one right here. So I still have a couple people to go look for, which is like really stressing me out. But I mean, it's fine. Let's see if it'll focus on me now, because it didn't want to focus on anything. Hold on. So I don't know what to do. I'm really stressed because I want my island to be so cute, and it's like really hard to like make it cute, and you have to do like all this stuff and everything like that. So like I'm really stressed right now. It's 12 o'clock, so I've been literally playing Animal Crossing since like 8 o'clock this morning. I mean, I ate breakfast, I've been watching my shows, I've watched some YouTube videos, so it's not like I'm just playing Animal Crossing, but I'm having like a super lazy, boring day, and I'm kind of like really bored to do. I think I'm gonna actually head over to my mommy and daddy's house because I can play Animal Crossing with my siblings and we can talk. They can help me through my dilemma and what's going on. I will be home before 5 because Cole gets off at 5. So I'll be home when he gets home. So I won't be there too long. I'll just be there for a little bit. So Molly keeps texting me. she's telling me to come over. So I'm gonna go ahead and get changed. Oh my god, my makeup is so bad. Okay, hold on, let me fix my makeup. Let me take off my makeup. So we're gonna use, is there anything in here? Oh my god, it's dry. Okay, hold on, give me a second. Okay guys, so I forgot to end the vlog yesterday, of course, but I'm gonna end it here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you next one. Bye.